Sorry guys, the kids were fighting each other. Minnie!
I would say I was
Well, dog sitter. You watch the dog, I
watch
mean.
the dog and then you walk the dog.
You watch the dog when the owner is like for vacation or wherever. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hello,
It's me, Noy.
and I'm Corey.
Yeah, for today's video, we're gonna discuss about the 10 common and easy job in America. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Number one would be a fast food worker.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need no college degree.
Mm-hmm.
You really don't need a high school diploma.
Yes.
You could just go in and ask if you're hiring or fill out an application online. And if they like you, and they'll get you and they'll pick you.
Yeah, it's true. So that's the number one, and number two is retail.
Yeah, number two is retail.
So yeah,
Yeah,
that was
basically
easy.
number two is kind of like number one. That you don't need a diploma or nothing.
Mm-hmm.
As long as you know how to do the job that they're required of you.
Yeah, sometimes they also ask you if you have an experience.
Yeah.
I am working in retail industry, so yeah, that was easy, and the interview was very easy also, and they only just asked for some questions regarding why did you apply for the job, why we gonna hire you, and what was your experience, and then yeah, that's it. And they only like run your background, that's it. And they don't drug test, and they don't even require for medical.
Yeah, and I've been in retail for maybe over 20 years already.
Wow.
Yeah. But I don't work in retail anymore.
Yeah, you work in a different company.
Yeah, I work in a different place.
So yeah, that's the retail. Number two. So number three is
Number three is housekeeping.
Mhm.
That's pretty easy because you're just basically cleaning a house.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's probably hard too, because in some like houses, they're big. Over here in America, houses are big, so you have to clean. And if you work as a housekeeper in like hotels, like hotel attendants,
Yeah.
like that, you have to clean also, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's like you clean, and I think I heard that they give you like more than 10 rooms per day, and you have to do like 30 to 45 minutes each room. So you have to be fast, and you know the beds over here are like, for example, king bed. So it's huge and heavy, and you have to clean that. So it's not that easy, but it's easy to find it.
Yeah.
To find that job, but I think it's so hard too, and it's tiring. But if you're not picky, yeah, you can get the job.
Yeah.
And then next is
Number four would be a convenience store worker.
just
Like 7-Eleven, Quick Stop. We live by Quick Stop. Like A&W, like a gas
convenience
station.
store.
What? Convenience store, yeah. Like a gas station attendant as well. That's under the. That's the same thing as a convenience store. Basically, you just apply and they ask you if you could work night shift, and if you could, then you got the job. Another easy job to get in here would be number five, would be janitor.
So janitor, you clean
You just clean the streets.
street.
Yeah.
And then like, for example, in outlets.
Like at the outlet, they have people cleaning. They're taking out the garbage, mopping the floors, sweeping. Yeah.
Sweep the dried leaves.
Yeah, sweep the leaves. Yeah, basically just keep
Cleaning.
it all nice and clean.
Yeah.
That's something I used to do as well.
Oh, you did that.
I used to be a janitor at the outlets.
How old you were?
I just graduated high school.
Wait, Sorry guys, the kids were fighting each other. Minnie!
I would say I
Oh my
was
God.
20.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were so young.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Number 6 would be a field walker.
Yes.
It's someone that picks the fruits over here.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're not picky, and if you could do the long hours that they do
Mm-hmm.
and pick fruits,
Big fruits,
it's an easy job.
vegetables.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think most of that field workers are like Mexicans.
Yeah.
Because they're like hardworking too.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're very hardworking.
Because you won't see no white people picking
Mhm.
fruit.
And they're not picky.
Yeah.
Yeah, and some of them are like, they don't have papers, so
Yeah.
they don't have choice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, they go to get the
It's
job.
fine though.
Yeah, it's fine. We're thankful to have them because,
Yeah.
without them, we don't have fruits and vegetables.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And number 7 would be a amusement park walker
Or
or a ride operator.
like sample ride operator,
Yeah.
concession staff,
Yeah.
or ticket
Ticket
attendants.
attendant, yeah.
The people.
That's another job I used to do too.
You did?
I used to be I used to work at Gilroy Gardens
Oh, yeah.
in 2002.
Mm-hmm.
You took care of the rides.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You were ticket attendants?
No.
Oh, just taking care of the
I
rides.
just took care of the rides and threw the kids on the rides.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's an easy job
It was an
too.
easy job.
And usually that the people that works there are young. They are
Yeah.
like teenagers, just not even graduated high school.
Yeah.
Some of them are like minors.
Yeah, they just throw kids on a ride, push a button, let it go for like a minute or two.
You just watch the kids,
And
the
then-
people that rides there.
And when it's done, kick the kids off the ride and put more people
But
on top.
another, you just like you're the one in charge.
Yeah.
To do that. That's easy. You don't have.
It's
You
a really
don't
easy
need your
job.
credentials. No need your transcript or whatever degree.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so easy. And number 8 is
Working for Lyft,
or
Uber,
Uber.
DoorDash, or Instacart.
Uh-huh.
These are application jobs that you just work from your phone.
Mm-hmm.
So you just apply on your phone, and they do just the only requirement is a driver's license.
Mm-hmm. You go for Uber, you just pick up the food, right, and deliver to people.
Yeah, that's Uber Eats.
Uber
But
Eats,
Uber people just like us when we go out of
Oh
town.
yeah, Uber Eats, but not Uber. The Uber that the people that pick you up and send you to
Yes,
wherever you
that's
go. Yeah.
Uber or Lyft. Number 9 will be a babysitter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, people could just hire a teenager from like high school
Mm-hmm. To babysit.
to babysit because they want to like go out of town or no, they want to go on a date
Yeah.
and just
And
the two of them.
you will be paid by cash, right?
Yes, you'll be paid by cash.
So it's like under the
And
table.
then, yeah, and then you could usually it's like $5 an hour.
No, right
What?
now you can charge if you have like for example me, because I work as a teacher, I can charge more than $20 an hour because I have my papers with me.
Yeah, but in the 90s it was like $5 an hour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, but nowadays you can charge $20 to $25 per hour if you babysit for each kid.
yeah. I think my sister was a babysitter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the
so
last
that's
one
the
would be
easy one.
a dog sitter. That would be number 10.
Or you can
Dog sitter or dog walker.
walker. Yeah, you can walk the
Yeah,
dog.
that's another like phone application job.
Mhm. So you babysit the dog, or I mean you what we call dog sitter. You
Yeah.
watch the dog.
You
I
watch
mean
the dog
babysit.
and then you walk the dog.
You watch the dog when the owner is like for vacation or wherever they go. So
Yeah.
you watch the dog, let them feed them, and then you can walk them and let them poop or
Yeah,
pee
and then
outside.
you play with them.
Play with them, like entertain them.
Mhm.
It's like a baby too.
Yeah.
Same of that job. So those are the 10 jobs,
Most
easy,
common jobs,
yeah,
easy jobs.
that you can find here in America. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, so the retail one, so I have that job right now, and the other one that I have is kind of like need a credentials or school
Yeah,
units,
school
because
and
I work in
credentials.
I work in preschool. You can't work there if you don't have a units, if you don't go to school. You have to go to school online, or you go by your, yeah, like personal, yeah. So you have to get your units, and you have to go for a fingerprint,
Yeah.
and you have to provide your medical, drug test, and everything. So it's kind of like, it's not an easy, how to apply. You have to spend your money for that too. Another requirement for us is to get the CPR certificate, that it takes like 8 hours, yeah, to go for that class. You can do it online, and then you can do it like personal also for the practical, I guess, exam. And then yeah, that's for the child care and preschool, as a preschool teacher. But I guess if you are an aide, you can work, but you can't really teach the kids. You're just there to help for changing diapers and help the teacher. That's it. You can't be with all the kids. Like, you have to be with the teacher. You're the assistant if
Yeah.
you are an aide.
Kind of like a teacher's assistant.
Teacher assistant. But you have to, they also require to have the units too. So you have to pay for it if you go for school. And how about you?
My job, it's pretty easy. What I do is we just do demos at a local Costco. Most Costco's in the U.S. have them. We just set up a little booth. We just give samples to the members. We just have to talk about it, say, try it if you like it. It's right over here. Take some home. Yeah.
And then by, like, as a manager?
Well, now I'm a manager, so I have a little bit more responsibility. So I'm on the floor, and then
you help, and then you manage.
And then I manage one when they need it.
Yeah.
Just like today, I was managing, and yesterday I was managing.
Yeah, so it's kind of like hard.
It's not really that hard once you get used to it. It's pretty easy.
Okay, but you like the job, huh?
I like it. Yeah.
It's not that stressful.
Not that stressful, no.
I like my job too. It's pretty rewarding, but sometimes it's exhausting too.
But my job
handling with kids.
But my job was pretty easy to apply. I just applied on Indeed. It's a website.
Yeah.
And then I got a phone call about like a month later or a couple weeks later.
Yeah, over here, if you work in that field, it's kind of like easy if you have a managerial experience, kind of like that. You really sometimes they really don't need do they really need the degree? No, huh?
No,
For all the managers, huh?
No.
I don't think so. They only need, for the hard ones that you can get right now is, if you work in like in the government, you have your credentials, your degree. Like, for example, in the school district, they need that.
Like nursing stuff.
Nursing, yeah, medical or healthcare.
Healthcare, yeah.
Yeah, so nurses, doctors, of course, those are the hard ones.
Yeah.
I don't know how about the, like, in the, like, the law.
Law, yeah.
Yeah, those
You have
are
to go to school for
the
the
hard
law.
ones. Accountants.
Accountant, yeah.
Yeah. Be in accounting firm. How about the secretaries?
Secretaries,
Do you need degree.
No, not really. You don't need a degree
I think
for
that
that.
you just need your experience.
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah.
Because my mom was a secretary and she did go to college,
Mm-hmm.
but she didn't really need to go to school.
Banking.
Bank.
Yeah.
Yeah, banking. You need your
Finances, kind of like
yeah.
that.
You need to go to school for that because
Like
you have
bank.
to dealing with money.
Yes. Bank. Insurance companies.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, real estate. You have to go to school
Yeah,
too.
you have to go to school
You
for
have
that.
to get a license.
Yeah.
Get a license. And then what else? The one that hard ones that you have to really go to school. I think that'll be it. There are some more, but we couldn't remember it, huh?
Yeah.
So if you guys can suggest more, yeah. Well, that's all we can think right now.
Yeah.
So what can you say about it, my love?
Yeah, over here it's kind of easy,
Mhm.
but it's kind of not easy because
But if you're not picky, you can get a job
if you're not picky, you get a
right
job.
away. Yeah.
But most Americans are picky.
I think Filipinos are like, our work ethics are a lot of like Americans like admire us for our work ethics because we are hard workers and we work hard. We gave our hustle. We hustle.
Yeah.
We gave everything, the best of everything that we can do. Like, if we work hard.
Yeah.
We work seriously, but we love it. That's why a lot of like, big companies, like you can see Filipinos are there. Like if you go to the hospital, the nurses are Filipinos. Some of the doctors are Filipinos. Yeah, wherever you go, you can see Filipinos.
Yeah. We're
talented.
Even at retail stores, you see Filipinos.
And you see me?
Yeah, I see you over there.
Just kidding. Yeah, we work in a different fields. Like we're all like talented and very hardworking and team player too. We love to work like as a team all the time.
Yeah.
Like we are so friendly. Yeah, and know how to deal with people.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Americans, the patience.
Yeah, we don't have patience.
They don't
for that
have
stuff.
like not all of you guys, but mostly.
Yeah.
Most Americans are like always giving up.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, I quit. I'm gonna give up.
Yeah.
Like, I'm done with this. I don't wanna do this shit anymore.
Yeah.
I want a different job. I know. I just stay in my job for 1 year. That's it.
Yeah.
After that, I quit. I find a different job. Right? You don't stay longer, huh?
Well,
Some of them.
do because the only reason why we stay at one job is because we get comfortable at the job. We do want to quit.
Yeah.
We just can't because we're comfortable.
So my husband will gonna say something about how to look for a job.
Yeah, now the best place to go to look for a job is Indeed.com.
.com.
Yes. And type in the city you live in, what kind of job you're looking for.
But there are some scam there.
Kind of, yeah, but
You have to be careful.
well, that's how I found my job. And then you can also go to each job's website.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
That one is like, I can recommend that one. I think that is better. Go for like to the company website and apply there, do your assessment, and submit a video or whatever they need. Yeah.
But Indeed.com is pretty good too because it's all kinds of different jobs that are listed.
But the thing, there's some like reviews that Indeed has a lot of scams too.
I don't believe that, but okay.
Well, you just have to be careful. You
Yeah,
know,
just
if
be
it's a
careful.
scam, it's like you know that.
Well, it'll be a scam if it says, like you get paid so much money, you get so much time off, and
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. How about the work from home?
Work from home. I want to do that, but I don't want to do that.
I feel like I want the work from home, but
I do because
I get bored probably because I'm
Yeah.
that person that I'm extrovert. I don't want to be like by
Yeah.
myself all the time, like
Yeah.
introvert.
Yeah.
I'm a, like not that too much extrovert,
Mhm.
but I want to go outside and explore,
Mhm.
kind of like that. I don't want to be stuck in the house for the whole day. No.
Mhm.
I want to meet people. I want to improve my personality because if you talk to people, if you what they call interact with people, you improve your personality on how to deal with them, unlike doing it online.
Yeah.
Probably I'm gonna do it probably for just a year, but after that I quit. I'm
Yeah.
gonna find I'm gonna find a
Better job.
better job that I
Yeah.
can interact.
Like me, I've been saying that I wanted to find another job, and that was like 2 years ago.
Plus, if you work outside the house, like in other companies, like you meet people, you
Yeah.
make friends with them, a lot of stuff, like But if you're stuck, if you're stuck at the house, what you gonna do? I'm gonna be bored.
You can hang out with.
For sure, dude. I'm gonna be bored. I can't.
You wanna hang out with Min Min?
I remember when I didn't get a job for like how many months that I was stuck here at home. Even though I have my other job part time, but I feel like what I'm gonna do at home. Oh
Yeah.
my god, I'm just gonna sit in my computer, watch movies. No, I probably do that for
A week.
maybe 1 year the most. But after that,
Yeah.
no. I wanna get out of my comfort zone.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
How about you?
What about me? I like leaving the house. I like walking outside.
I like
But then
both.
again, I kind of wish.
But the thing is the advantage of working from home. You can manage your time.
Yeah.
And you don't need to get up early and
Yeah.
dress up and put your makeup
Yeah.
on. Kind of like that. And yeah, even though you did not shower, you can work.
Yeah, that's a fun part.
Yeah, that's the thing. But if you work outside, you have to be presentable.
Yeah.
Shower and stuff like that. You need to be clean, kind of like that. But I feel like I'm gonna do work from home too, but for just a year maybe. But
Yeah.
I'm used to work outside, like meet
Yeah.
people.
I've always
so,
walked outside ever
I get
since I was
used to that.
17,
So
and now I'm 46. So that's a lot of years.
oh my god, you're getting old, man.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, so I think that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed
that's
this topic.
Yep, and us rambling at the end.
I know, just like talking stuff.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, guys, for
Thank
watching.
you.
We love you all.
I love you. Bye bye.
See you in our next topic.
See you. Baboosh.
Babush, good night.